Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can generate a landing page, fully functional landing page for free using AI. You don't have to pay for anything here, and this is completely free. I'm going to show you all the process step by step. At first, we're going to go to the browser, and then we are going to go to the site Farmer AI. If you search Farmer AI, you will get Farmer AI. Here you can see this is called www.farmer.com, okay, /AI. So we are going to click here this website, and here you just have to log in at first. Okay, if you don't have any account, you just have to sign up here through a Google account, and after that here you can see this is a prompt section, right? So here we are going to give a prompt. So let's just go for the sign up. I have already created my account, so I'm not going to select this option sign up. You can actually click here to generate the account. Now click here login and continue with the Google. Select the Gmail and connect your account. I have generated an account here, you can see. Now let's go for the new account. So I'm going to click here new project. Here you go. Now from here you can actually select any of the design, but we are going to go with the prompt. Okay, I mean we'll generate a prompt according to our needs, and then we are going to give here the prompt, and then they will actually generate the whole website for us. I mean the landing page. Okay, landing page for us. We are not going to select from here, so we are going to go with the blank one. From here we are going to select this one, and here we are going to write down about our landing page. You can actually drag and drop the design, okay, like by clicking here insert, and then here you can see you have navigation menu and all the stuff, so you can add them by drag and drop it, or maybe you can go for the layout, and then you can choose any of the layout, but I will go with the wire farmer. Okay, I mean we'll generate the landing page through prompt, and here we are going to give the prompt. So to generate a prompt, we are going to go with ChatGPT. You may go with Gemini also, or any other chatbot. Here we are going to ask for a prompt. I'm going to give her just a basic information about my project. So I'm going to say I want to generate a landing page for my video editing service. If you're a writer, you can say that I'm a content writer and I want landing page for my business. Okay, give me a professional prompt so that I can generate through AI website builder. Now it will give me a professional prompt. If you want any specific color, you can mention here in this option. I mean you can edit it and then mention here, or maybe you can go through this prompt and you can mention here what do you want to actually change, and then regenerate this prompt. Okay, simple. Now I am okay with it, so I'm going to actually copy this. Okay, so now we are going to copy this, and let's go back to the farmer. Okay, farmer AI, and here we are going to paste it. Now click here this arrow sign, up arrow key, and here you can see thinking, so it will generate the site for us. Here you can see in the right side we will see the update. Here you can see it generating. So this is our landing page, you can see. Okay, and now you can change the text also or anything. One more thing is you can actually click here insert, and then you can add here anything. Here you can see section, navigation, menus. Okay, then various fields, then icon you can add here. Okay, any kind of icon if you want, or maybe you can actually generate through a prompt, and I have shown you all the steps. Now let's say everything is okay here. Now you want to publish this site landing page, so you can click here publish. You can get a free domain here. You can give it a name, let's say Tanviri Deeds, then I'll check it. Here you go. Now I can actually publish it, and I can actually go there, and here I can see this is my website. I can copy the link, domain name, okay, and then I can open it in a new private window, and I can paste it here, and I can access the site. You can see this is my landing page. Awesome landing page. I've shown you how you can actually create a landing page for free using AI. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.